Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Gray. Now, Lenovo didn't make an official appearance at CES 2022 this year, but the company did invite us to a one-on-one meeting to get some hands-on time with the products that would have been unveiled in Las Vegas this week. So as we've done in the past, we've partnered with Lenovo to give you a first look at the new products that are going to be hitting store shelves in the coming months. While most of Lenovo's laptops and tablets are usually just a rehash of what was introduced the previous year, they always have at least one product that truly stands out, offering something completely new and unique. For CES 2022, that device is the new Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 3, which sports an industry-first 17.3-inch ultra-wide 21 by 10 aspect ratio primary display. Now, you'll note that I did say primary display, and that's because this laptop actually has a second display as well. To the right of the keyboard is a second display with an 8-inch 800 by 1280 touch panel mounted in portrait mode. If you're looking for the ultimate productivity laptop, this one just might be it. The main 17.3-inch display sports a resolution of 3072 by 1440 at 120 Hz. While I've seen quite a few large display laptops over the years, this one here definitely takes the crown. But thanks to its thinner bezels, it also has an impressive 90% screen-to-body ratio, even though there is an embedded Full HD infrared camera with a physical privacy shutter that's built into the panel right above the display. But what makes this truly unique is that 8-inch secondary display, which makes this laptop extremely versatile. The most natural use of it is to simply have it as a secondary display to house a chat app like Telegram, use it as a calendar, or a note-taking or to-do app so that you can always have it handy. But if you use applications like Photoshop or Premiere Pro, you can also use it to house your sub-tools, which makes it extremely easy and quicker to change your settings with your fingers or even the supported pen, while also freeing up and decluttering that main display so you can simply use it as a large canvas. Or of course, there is the option to use it to mirror your smartphone screen if you do have a compatible Motorola device. All this enhanced productivity on the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 3 is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core H series processors with up to 32 gigabytes of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage. The backlit keyboard and the glass touch panel are pretty comfortable and fairly large as well, matching what we've seen on other Lenovo laptops. And they've also put in some extra work to include Harman Kardon developed Dolby Atmos speaker systems, which honestly sound pretty good. The laptop also sports an integrated fingerprint sensor that's built into the power button, which is nice to see, and also Wi-Fi 6E for faster connectivity. The 69 watt-hour battery can be charged via a 100 watt USB Type-C charging cable, and all of this adds up to just 4.4 pounds, which honestly is pretty light when you consider how large the main display is on this laptop and that it has a secondary display as well. The ThinkBook Plus Gen 3 will be available from May 2022 for a starting price of $1399. Now, while that price might keep some people away, if you're truly looking for something unique, this device might be exactly what you're looking for. For more of our coverage from CES 2022, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.